Hello, it's Peter from the Music Tribe. Today we will be looking at how to use an MR18 mixer as an audio interface and configuring the USB send return to work with your chosen DAW. To begin, connect your MR18 mixer directly to the computer using a USB cable, and then connect to your chosen network. If you're using a Windows machine, you will need to download the drivers from the Downloads tab of the product page. Now you're connected, open the MR18 app. Open the In-Out menu and click USB Sends. This menu shows what channels on our MR18 are sent to which USB channel. We can reassign the channels by simply clicking in the grid. For example, if we want input 1 on our mixer to be input 5 in our DAW, we find channel 1 along the top and USB 5 along the side, and click the square where these intersect. You can change the tap point for the signal by simply right-clicking the square. The tap point is the position in the audio path where the USB will draw the signal from. Now let's open our DAW and set the audio input and output device as the MR18. For this example, we're using Logic Pro, but the process is relatively similar for most DAWs. We insert our channels into Logic and configure the inputs to reflect the USB sends grid. Using our previous example, channel 1 of our MR18 is routed to USB channel 5. We need to set the input for our DAW channel to channel 5. If we now record on the channel, we should see that there is signal being received by the DAW. Once we've set this up for all our channels, we are then ready to record. Now, the outputs. Open the USB returns menu in the MR18. You will see a similar grid, except the USB and channel options have been reversed. This grid works in the exact same manner, but instead of sending audio to the DAW, we will be sending audio to the MR18. For this example, let's route the main outputs of our DAW on USB channels 17 and 18 to the aux left and right channel on our MR18. There is no option to change the tap point in this menu. Now we have assigned the USB return, close this menu, select the aux channel and then open the channel menu. We need to enable the USB return to feed the audio in. Simply click the USB button and it should turn blue to indicate it is active. When we now play audio from our DAW, it should show on the aux channel and our main left and right outputs. You can use the USB trim fader to adjust the levels sent into the mixer. When using a media player, YouTube or Spotify, it is automatically set to route to USB channels 1 and 2, meaning we need to enable the USB return on these channels. When using the MR18 for playback from a media player, I would recommend stereo linking the channels, allowing you to give the two neighbouring channels the exact same setting. You are now ready to record and play back the audio from your MR18.